Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Poco X3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera, and one of this is the slow motion mode, so let's pick it. And here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by tapping on this big red button at the center. We can also move to the right corner to this one to get access to some more options about the video we can manage. We can pick the quality and the speed of our video, so you can adjust it as you need. Now let's stay, for example, on this kind of settings, and let me start recording to show you how it works. And let's stop by tapping again on this button to see the video. Let's move to the left to this one that follows us straight to the gallery, and now we can play our video. And this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.